Experiencing frequent Wi-Fi disconnections on your Xumo TV can be frustrating. Understanding why this happens and knowing the right troubleshooting steps can help you resolve these issues quickly. First, let's understand your home network setup. Your Xumo TV connects to the internet through your wireless router, which is connected to your broadband modem. Multiple devices share this same network connection. Step 1. Ensure your modem and router are properly connected to the internet. A simple check is to see if other devices like phones or computers can access the network. If not, restart your modem and router. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Weak signals are a common cause of disconnections. Try moving your router closer to the Xumo TV or reducing interference from other electronic devices. Step 3. Verify that you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you're typing it exactly as it appears. Also, confirm you're selecting the correct network name. Step 4. Ensure your Xumo TV has the latest firmware. Check this in Settings, Device Settings, About. Compare the listed version with the latest one on xumo.com/USB update and update if necessary. Step 5. If possible, connect your Xumo TV to the router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. However, remember to unplug the Ethernet cable when trying to connect to Wi-Fi, as having both can cause conflicts. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most Xumo TV Wi-Fi disconnection issues. Start with checking your network connections, verify your Wi-Fi credentials, ensure your software is up to date, and consider using an Ethernet connection for maximum stability. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced steps can resolve persistent Wi-Fi issues. Start by restarting your Xumo device and power cycling your network equipment in the correct order. If restart doesn't work, reset your network settings. Turn Wi-Fi off in your Xumo settings. Select Reset and confirm to clear all network configurations. Then reboot the device and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Navigate to Settings, System Management, Resets and Updates, then Factory Reset. Warning, this will erase all your settings and you'll need to set up your device again. For DNS configuration, Xumo Stream boxes don't allow changing DNS settings directly on the device. You must configure your router to use Smart DNS. Also test with different networks to rule out Wi-Fi hotspot compatibility issues. If problems persist after trying these advanced solutions, contact Xumo support or your internet service provider for assistance. For optimal streaming performance, ensure your internet connection provides at least 40 to 100 megabits per second download speed for standard definition content.